the 1997 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This two-door, five-passenger coupe provides exceptional value. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.